Bearish Nifty persists as global pressures rise, USD at 2-year highs, Powell's rate stance, oil climbs, and FII outflows. Highlights include NTPC Green Energy IPO and a metal stock rally on China's policy shift. Stay tuned. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a sluggish start, and that's in line with our call of the day, which suggests bearish undertone is likely for benchmark Nifty. The key themes for the day. 1. The US dollar index flirts with its 2-year high, now at 106.60 levels. 2. Powell has said the Fed is in no rush to cut rates. Investors are anxious about the Federal Reserve's approach to interest rate cuts, adding uncertainty to global market. 3. WTI crude oil is aiming to inch up at $67.20 per barrel, supported by escalating conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Russia launched its biggest airstrike in nearly 3 months, heavily impacting Ukraine's power infrastructure. 4. Record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. FIIs have pulled out a record 1.25 lakh rupees crore from Dalal Street since Nifty hit its peak at 26,277 mark on 27 September. This November, FIIs have sold to the tune of Rs. 30937 crores. Long story short, Nifty is vulnerable to more downside as bears hunt for more downside targets. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1403 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 2331 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low pattern. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 15.16 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 0.97 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 0.95. Nifty outlook, the bears are likely to be everywhere. Nifty, CMP 23454. Support, 23,400 to 23,350. Resistance, 23,550 to 23,600. Range, 23,350 to 23,600. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50364. Support, 50,150 to 50,100. Resistance, 50,650 to 50,700. Range, 50,100 to 50,700. Bias, sideways to bearish. In yesterday's trade, Nifty continued to attract bears, and most importantly, the benchmark fell for 7th day in a row. Nifty is down way below its 200 DMA, 23,565. Focus now turns towards Maharashtra and Jharkhand state assembly elections. Counting of votes for the two states will take place on 23rd November. Buzzing stocks. 1. NTPC's wholly owned subsidiary NTPC Green Energy is coming up with an IPO which opens for subscription this Tuesday, 19th November. The IPO ends on Thursday, 21st November. NTPC Green Energy will the third largest IPO of 2024 after Hyundai Motor India and Swiggy, with an issue size of Rs. 10,000 crores. NTPC Green Energies is eagerly awaited, particularly in light of the successful listing of another renewable energy-related IPO, Waaree Energies. 2. Nalco, Hindalco Industries and Vedanta shares have surged after China's decision to cancel this tax rebate, which has long supported its export-driven aluminium industry, sparked a sharp rally in aluminium prices on the London Metal Exchange on Friday. The move is expected to curb the excessive supply of Chinese aluminium abroad.